Hi guys, in this video we'll be asking what is the rate of reaction? We'll then look at precipitation reactions, finding the change in mass and using a gas syringe. We'll be finishing off with a summary.
So let's start with the definition, which is that the rate of a chemical reaction just tells you how fast the reactants are changed into the products. Therefore, the rate of reaction just lets you know how fast or slow the chemical reaction happens. We can define this formally as the reaction rate of a chemical reaction is a measure of the change in concentration of the products or reactants per unit time. An example of a fast reaction is any explosion, as well as the reactions of the group 1 metals with water. As soon as potassium is added to water, it will burst into a characteristic purple flame as the potassium burns. An example of a slow reaction would be a plant absorbing nutrients from the soil, or the rusting process that occurs when iron is exposed to water and oxygen. The formation of rust on the surface of iron isn't instantaneous, but it will build up over days or weeks of exposure. In our definition, we said that the reaction rate for a chemical reaction is a measure of the change of concentration of the products or reactants per unit time. But in reality, when finding the rate of reaction, it's often much easier to measure how quickly the product is formed. This is because it's easier to observe a change rather than how quickly something is disappearing. Measuring how quickly a product is formed can be done through methods such as precipitation, finding mass changes, or calculating the volumes of gases given off. And in this video, we're going to look at these 3 examples in more detail. The first method that is used to measure the formation of products during a reaction is known as a precipitation, where a precipitate is just a solid product.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.